Hey guys! Remember when I unboxed that Spider-Man PS4 video game 2 years ago? If you guys don't remember, I'll put the link in the description below. Because today, I finally got my own PS4 copy of Spider-Man Miles Morales, which officially released 5 days ago. I'm about to unbox it. This is officially my 16th PS4 video game unboxing video. And after this video, I will have officially done 80 unboxing videos in total. So without further ado, here it officially is. It's official! Oh, I love the front. Alright, this is the front. Here's the spine. And here's the back. And now I'm about to get rid of the plastic. Oh, I'm really so happy I finally got this. Especially the beautiful graphics. I can just explode! And last but not least, the disc. So there you have it, my official Spider-Man Miles Morales unboxing video. This was officially my 16th PS4 video game unboxing video. And after this video, I have officially done 80 unboxing videos in total. Alright, love you guys.